Welcome once again to Design Atelier Unscripted, where we unintentionally, deliberately waste your time. Well, does that make sense? I don't know. Another unboxing video. Trusted I've been told. Go. And we have Olto-8. Olto-8 sent us once again another one of their amazing and budget-friendly what do we call it? Satellite watches? Not satellite. What do they call it again? I forgot. But anyway, those things with circular hours that rotate all over the time. And this one actually is a refinement or an upgrade or the next version of their old satellite watches. So let's see how good they are. And also, I've never seen this kind of a manual before. Okay, there. So there you go. So there's a sneak peek of what we're expecting here. Hopefully, what did I don't even remember what I asked them to give me. Is it the green one or the blue one? Well, you'll find out. But before we do, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Remember, this is a video wherein I gather all of your comments and then put it in to that actual video review that I'm going to make of this watch. So if you have something to say, if it's interesting, it's a burn, or it's something to troll this channel or everyone that's viewing it, comment and see if it's any good. I'll put it in the video review. Okay, there you go. Let's get rid of this. There. Ooh, look at that. This is, come on guys, this is FedEx work. Okay, so they just like throw away stuff and then they have no regard for careful box corners. Anyway, you're not here for the box, you're here for the watch. Okay, and Olto-8's been using this kind of travel case, which is pretty neat. I like it. It kind of reminds me of that Breitling case. It's not completely Breitling though. And there we have it. Silicon. Nothing to see there. And then there we are. Ah, yes. So I asked the blue one. Oh, this is okay. So this is something that I did not expect. I was expecting this to be bigger, but it seems to be very, very small and dainty. I love that. Now this is obviously more for a dressy occasion. They've been saying also that this is like what a casino version. I don't see that casino-ness in there, but let's see. Okay, I cannot for the life of me remove this. Brandon Rob is also notorious at hating these kinds of plastics, but I'm starting to hate that as well. Okay, let's cut this off. Hopefully I don't cut the strap this time. There we go. That's right. Very nice. As you can see, that's the buckle. Very nice buckle. I like their leather strap this time around. This is a little bit better than what we've been used to getting with these microbrands. This is a lot more. This is Hamilton, better than Hamilton territory right there, like Tissot territory. And that's not bad, you know. And there's the movement. That's your typical Miyota movements, slightly machine decorated. Nothing to see there, nothing special. Oh, I hope or I wish that they had a decorated rotor, but it's very plain right there. Maybe that's one of the bigger criticisms of this watch. I would have preferred that they did something with a rotor, even if I had to spend a little bit extra. And I know they're capable of that. Olto-8, Olto-8 is capable of that. But let's see. And of course, this is that wandering hour. There you go, wandering hour. My old age is catching up to me. And as you can see there, that's the wandering hour complication. Very neat. This reminds you of that old market game. That's also had popularized this kind of movement. Oh, that's a very, very domed sapphire crystal. Right there. So, what do you guys think about this new Olto-8? Well, it's not really. It's already been released for a few months now, so it's not really completely new, but it is new to our channel. Let me know what you guys think about this new Olto-8. Oh, but before we forget, let's take this out. By the way, this is the 6030 chronograph from Horology Story. It is designed completely by me, and where's that? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. As you can see there, HS Horology Story, designed by Design Atelier. This has finally launched a few days ago in June 28, and we're expecting a July 15 international release. So stay tuned for that. Also, support Horology Story and see their where you can buy these. These are $300. They're pretty affordable. VK63 Seiko Mecha Quartz movement. Nothing special there, but it is accurate and it is very nice. Keeps accurate time, and at the same time, it's very budget friendly. Oh wow, look at that! Very, very small. It's very dressy. I like that. I like that. Very dainty, very compact case design. Really nice. So, what do you guys think? Comment about this new Olto-8. What do they even call this? Roto. There you go. Olto-8 Roto, the blue version. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned for that video review.